our friends, today we're going to draw cherries.
Yeah, we're going to draw heart-shaped cherries to celebrate Valentine's Day. We hope you're going to follow along. We're using crayons, but you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yeah, I have a mustache.
I'll have a mustache too.
Mustache!
To draw our hearts, let's first draw the letter V. I'm going to draw it over here on the left so that we have room for another one over here on the right. And then we're going to draw the two bumps to finish the heart. Yeah. Then let's repeat that same step for the other cherry. I'm going to draw it a little lower, and then we're going to draw the bumps on top. Yeah. 1 and 2. Now that's a simple way to draw a heart, and we have our two cherries, except let's color them in. This part will fast forward, but our art friends can pause the video and take time to color in their heart cherries too. There's our cherries all colored in. Now let's put that off to the side and switch to our green crayon. Let's draw a line coming out for the stem, or a curve, and then we're going to curve down to the other heart for the other stem. And let's also add leaves. We're going to draw a curve and a curve back. And then let's add another leaf on the other side. Yeah. And let's color those shapes in too. We did it. We finished drawing our heart cherries, except we still need to
add a funny face.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's add a funny face to each of our cherries, and our friends can add different faces. They don't have to draw the same ones as us. And we switched to our black crayon so that we can add this on top of the red. So I'm going to draw a kissy face over here on this one. So I drew the number 3.
Just going to draw a little.
Yeah.
You.
This is actually a backwards 3. But now I'm going to draw the eyes and color them in. And also I'm going to draw a screaming face over here. Maybe this one doesn't want to get kissed. Ooh, but it's a happy one like yours too.
Yeah.
Oh, I like your little puppy face. That's really cute.
Thank you.
Now we can also use our black crayon to outline everything. And this is fun to do it at the end so that it doesn't smear. Because if we did the black first, and then added the color after, sometimes it smears the black. So I'm gonna draw around the hearts too. And I guess I could have left the stem green, but I traced over it. Oh, yours is really cool. I like that you traced on the outside of the stem. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cute cherry hearts, and they turned out awesome. I especially love yours. It's always my favorite.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Thank you. And our friends can pause the video to add even more things to their drawing, like more cherries.
You could also add yourself eating the cherries.
Oh yeah, and maybe the cherries are screaming because they're trying to get away.
No. We hope you have fun drawing heart cherries.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.